Many astronauts got their start as Air Force pilots. And this L-39 jet behind me, it's an old Czechoslovakian-made plane from the 1970s. You know, if you're a pilot with a few nickels to rub together, you can privately own one of these. But for me, I just want to be Top Gun for a day. Businessman Steve Milligan owns, operates, and races this fighter jet.
There you go.
He briefs me on the basic operation of the aircraft.
We got airspeed, altimeter here, artificial horizon, your basic compass. I'm just gonna grab the stick and just start flying this on my own. No problem. With 30 seconds of instruction, that's all I need, right? Where's the missile launcher?
Now it's time to throttle up the engine and test my G tolerance during a real flight. These jets have been used to train pilots for decades, and at a top speed of 750 kilometers per hour, can pull over 8 Gs during aerobatic maneuvers. Everything should be fine as long as he stays straight and never mind. Now it's time for the big test, a 6G climb, and this is no simulation. When you experience how quickly things happen up here, you can understand how even a few seconds of G-induced loss of consciousness could be fatal. The breathing techniques I learned definitely worked. But I think I'll give up on being a Top Gun and stick to being a backseat driver. I tell you, taking a flight in that fighter jet was extremely cool. Now that I've pulled, 5 or 6 Gs, it's time to experience no Gs at all.